Hello everyone, welcome back to Himabindu Angal Kurti's channel. I hope you enjoyed and got some inspirations for the accent chair transformation that I did in the last week's video. If you missed that video, check it out after you complete this one and I'll link it down below for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to paint a simple modern abstract painting which normally costs all the way up to thousands of dollars. For this project, I got 18 by 24 inch canvas from Michaels for about $10. Take a sponge brush and wet the canvas to work with it easily and to remove any unwanted bumps. Apply it on all directions evenly. Take a disposable plate and pour some white acrylic paint. You can start applying white paint and you don't have to wait until the canvas is dry. I wanted to start the painting in the center and I drew a line with my paint. Let the white paint dry for a few minutes. Once it is dry, you can take this brown acrylic paint and pour a little bit in that disposable plate. I used 2 inches brush and started painting it from the center of the canvas. Now move your brush vertically to get these amazing brush stroke details. I did the same pattern on the other side as well. Let the brown color dry and add some black acrylic paint and follow the same pattern. Now let your black paint dry out and take the golden sunset color, or you can use the yellow color and add some to your plate. Follow the same pattern that you did with your black and brown. Do the same pattern on the top as well. I used a little bit of glitter on top of this painting. You can let your paint dry, but I wanted a little bit of texture and I started working with the glitter when the paint is still wet. Run your brush vertically to get the same pattern that you got with your other colors. Once you're done with the center part, start painting it from the bottom, and I'm not using any additional paint. I absolutely love the details of this painting already. Let the painting dry to see its beautiful colors. These are some of my other paintings.